Ebusian for mamunyina akwaba eba Ghana and Sem TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for say if I konya way so na muka say our fundraising towards a studio setup still is ongoing. So far we've been able to raise 7,000 out of the 25,000. Screen I say you can help in any way you want, as you always do. Cheers. Damase. Charlie, Sofo Duncan Williams. Yeah, papa. They are bemus. I say someone has stepped on his toes. Yeah. Now when him say they are bemus there. Abemus no. The papa of the charismatic movement. And he's the lion. Also, if you trespass, an empire, no. It doesn't joke with it. The voice alone and the kind of things that he says through his prayers and the power, substance his prayers carry, no. And most of the time you would want to be at the good side of the Abemus, Archbishop Duncan Williams. Now, there has been some politics around Archbishop Duncan Williams over time. And some people have even questioned neutrality, quote unquote. Some people also have the view say he played a role in getting NDC re-elected. Now, after playing that role, apparently, as some elements, our NDC, they have scores to settle with the Abemus. Yes. My name is C, but apparently some of the appointees of John Mahama, from some of the indications we are carrying, they have scores to settle with the Abemus. Papa Duncan Williams. And so we heard say there was a time cry, allegedly, Nifie, I say Iyoku Foko, Eko Sizi cars, beings, all those things. And then a serious gist came out, say, Ebra Iyoku Foko Nifie, wa find the phone now frefre o mampeni John Mahama phone na John Mahama nchen o dining table suba wanfa. Yes, you know that information there it did the weasi. And see all those things it started accumulating to the fact say there is some friction between government of the day and then Papa Abemus. Now, what is getting close now, and the reason why, say we are getting to realize, ABR, the rumors are not entirely false. And he said, now people are critically paying attention to the way Papa Duncan Williams is preaching these days, and his prayers. Now, ni preaching bakuma, a trend is say, I'm coming to play to you. You will see, he's talking about some small boys who have gotten power and the power has gotten into their heads and they don't have respect for any kind of authority any longer and they are abusing their offices and all in the preaching and the prayer. You ask yourself, does it mean, Asema Yati say, Iyokufo, Raymond Achai, et Tata Papano, and Ukraina, and you and I were not there. We cannot tell. I cannot tell also. Mini lawyer, Ska. But what I can tell you is Archbishop is not happy with John Mahama NDC government. Let's go and listen to the Archbishop's preaching and his prayer. And when you are done, whatever you think about it, write it in the comment section. But remember, Sauni lawyer Ska, keep your comment very, very, very add allegedly. Uchobia allegedly. Yes. Uko court yes. I own him the power guy. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
You have never worked before. You've never set up any business. You don't pay taxes. How come suddenly you come home with briefcase of money? Where is this?
I mind this here. Hey, I see. Sofo. Now the profit. Politics. No dia tro. I want nyame aso dia mo akire. Ghana for say Ghana for the dimilika kopegalam say ya bra wunim say omunya Ghana for a.
Na asofo no bebre ni krofo bebre agi appointment. Na Osof Penny Duncan Williams.
Also onyi bi.
Our message to them. A message you just last week. And now when you mean I'm so the buy. Message you dear to say if you nyame direct.
And I one kwane ba no kra no say say ne ba no talk out for befia. There's justification.
Yeah.
Say and I buy when you adwuma.
Oh bank square.
Atuma ma wo. It ready. Oh there's justification.
Where a message. Nyankopon asem ni. Eric me nko tie Nyankopon asem.
Push for their party to come to power. Even though they don't have capacity, they are given position without capacity, they misbehave. And they have wives who will never tell their husband, you have never worked before. You've never set up any business. You don't pay taxes. How come suddenly you come home with briefcase of money? Where is this money coming from? Where is this brand new car coming from? Where did you get money to build this new house? You have never developed capacity. You haven't earned it. Where is it coming from? You don't ask questions. You enjoy it and give him more sex and encourage him to go kill, lie, steal, scheme, destroy, make money at the expense of poor people. And you don't understand the implication. I'm not cursing anybody, but I'm telling you by authority, make no mistakes. The evil that men do, live after them. Make no mistake. Hear me. Hear me. The law of sowing and reaping does not need your address or your telephone number. When it is time for you to reap, it will find you. As long as you belong to a party, when your party come into office, you are given a position to the national cake, and you take what you please and you want at the expense of the suffering of the citizen. Make no mistake. And you think you are going free. No. You will end up with some evil disease. And we live in a society that is passive and a coward society. You see what is wrong and nobody talks. Everybody is hiding. A day will come. A day will come when truth shall emerge. It doesn't matter how long you hide it. A day will come when truth shall emerge. You think you are powerful today. We are destroying one another. We are destroying the country. Because this party only comes to power to make money.
All right, so Sofo Penny Duncan Williams and Mate Ninkana, which are a movement in the morning. And Midi Edukwe Kuderu, that's a Jajamana, a coming God Nasarbidia Conso, a coming one pay. We are a bon on Croix, any NPP General Secretary Excellency, na Yeji and Comodasbe. And the Momena Yamoboy Jato Denoso, na Yankwana Bibuhana. I really could have been so. Wouldn't Techie Berry.
Techie Berry.
And we did a Debbie. Hey,
you can't say take it.
Hey,
you become the one. You are become the big one.
Sir, Ediaba no and yet then take the berry. It is your in the Biase. And yet, Asano, there be and no, sir, that's a break.
Meaning,
what teach him?
Yana, your Yana. Quensusa, or say a trophy.
Take it berry. How will be job on to say a trophy.
I'm just
take it berry. You are not the Quensusano. Quensus I have one kind of simple. A Kwaku. Aye. Why for document I'm making kind of? Yeah, prove I'm a woman. Yes, someone found 9 million Ghana cedis.
Quensusa. Na Quensusa akura mi mani ti kono. Ya yefo ayenua o.
So e wo ho.
Quensusa no
unim se enen no.
Se bia for
demand for it na koso. Nti agbe betimi aka se
Quensusa plantation.
9 million cedis. Quensusa MI 9 million so MI.
Enkofu de mo ba so mo e be wia. No ma say we. Sofo Duncan Williams king. Me wo say be we da America. Se uba na be wia omani sika free na office how de wanya honju kodia wo de be sayare anu no kan no wo so de be sayare da achi
okay
ama wo be wo de be hunu nyansa.
All right nti me birthday mienu mama nya hey mama nya na pato ma neso ya frozen fifa okay apa de chira isafo mama ti osafo
Ebi no mo ntimi ansho no mo akonya mbenya akonya asanso afidi man.
Okay, Safwa, yes. Ewa padincha, Safwa medase. General be you are no. Good morning.
Good morning.
But your first and Akasafi Ifa.
Me the political warrior, me Kasafi Atiase.
Okay, political warrior Kasafi Atiase. Okay, Mate. Mamitio, where are you saying?
Now me pese me confirm me free general secretary ho. Say during registration no, say ye register ye. Baby one na ye nya omo, but e bi so information na room e bi so na omo wa kwantum ye nema bebre. Ti omo e kire no, omo de omo ade aba no, akwanya be wo se e betimi aye late registration bi amomo a enti hu ya nka bebo apa.
Okay, Mate, me da say nti enhwe we so. Good morning, Patrick Frost and Axel Viva.
Patrick, your family is border. You can say free.
But also Kasafi Viva, I'm a Samai Dubru. Okay.
You can say free from the blue.
Dubru, okay. But you didn't hear saying
your family DC border.
DC border, okay. Mami to general to you.
Yeah. Patrick, why you are me business say? Almost say registration you enter baby I to about omma me register omma me meeting and let me be saying I say sir I will ebeboa ya na e be say ono ani say members do ono abuofu you call mo chan kra obisa ekwa no kasampena ekwa say na yan chance mo amra you no the many people be enya akonya emeralista
all right me that say me farm I can't last two na me this. Good morning Patrick Frost and Axel Viva.
The family Francis ni kasafi ni go pram
sis ni go pram Patrick maminti
let me say na ye wa kwantu minti no yentumi a register inti ye bisa say if ano ye ne say ana on betumi nyakonya kakra dia ya na a register.
Okay, Mate, baby Sir General. Good morning. Atomentie TV no tie phone nim na ye no nkasa. Frost and Axel Viva.
Me kasa fi ni go pram.
Okay, so there anyway we medasi ni go pram there anyway we ti general be you question and tienfa last caller na infancy 0201455555 until last caller na any general say okay last caller na ba. Good morning.
Hello.
Patrick Frost and Axel Viva. What's that Frost saying?
That's what I'm going to
keep back in my meeting. Pacho etie phone nim tutie etie radio TV no tie phone nim na kasa etie. When ya make no ti ofra na wadwum radio wadwum TV no na woni ya dinkomo phone so se na be ya beto nka. Good morning.
Good morning.
Patrick Frost and Axel Viva.
I'm telling you because you're free and so now the question person is
okay.
About the dinner your church for and I'm my notebook you can you see how much